Hello, everybody. Mike here, one of the child life specialists up at Stony Brook Children's Hospital, reporting to you from the Child Life Playroom. A few days ago, we experienced Operation America Strong, where the U.S. Navy, as well as the U.S. Air Force, we had the Thunderbirds as well as the Blue Angels fly over our hospital to support frontline workers during the pandemic. I thought it'd be a good idea to share a little activity, little time-honored tradition of making paper airplanes. A little special twist on that here. So, since we're cooped up at home and wondering what we can do, I say we give a paper airplane flying contest a shot. So first thing we can do is take our paper here, ordinary printer paper, and what you can do is grab a few markers and jot down some things that you might be feeling during this time where we're cooped up inside. COVID-19 is keeping everybody indoors these days, and some folks may be feeling certain emotions, so you can write down what you're feeling. It's okay to talk to a loved one about it. All right. There we go. All sorts of emotions here. And then what you can do is take your paper and fold it long ways like this. I'm going to show you up here. Long ways like this. Like that. And then what we can do is we've got our paper. And we're folding again like so over here. Folding again like so over here. Everybody see? We've made two identical folds now on this side. Now we're going one more time on over here. This is where it gets tricky. So take a look what I just did. You see that? Another, we're going to flip it over on the other side, and we're going to do that same fold that we just made. Like this. See where we're at so far, my friends? Now comes for the final act over here. This method has won me quite a few paper airplane flying contests over the years, and I am sharing it with you today. It is an honor to do this. Here we go. Let's see where we're at right now. We've got, this is going to be one more fold on this side. Here we go. Ready? Don't be bashful here. Gotta fold that up like that. Oh, here we go. Now, see what we got. Check this out. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret here. this plane is going to fly far and fast. And to add a little extra flight time to it, I recommend grabbing a stapler and giving it 2 staples. Make sure you have parents with you when you do this. Now, what we've done, we have some of the thoughts that we've been feeling during this COVID-19 pandemic, and we have our paper airplane, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to let it fly. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was a beauty. I want to thank everybody for tuning in to the Child Life channel here at Stony Brook Children's Hospital. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care, folks.